Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change PIN for Samsung Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, go down and in here, tap on security and privacy. Next, we go down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. And then go down and tap on Change PIN in the security section. Now put in your current PIN. So my current PIN is 123258. Next, you need to put in a new PIN. So the new PIN can be, say, 789654. And then 789654. So I'll put in the same PIN again to confirm. And that's it. That is how you can change the PIN for your Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.